Hello, Shakil once again. So welcome to my another tutorial, and that is in the previous video we mocked a callback function. As you can remember, for is we mocked a callback function. So callback is helpful, but sometimes we need to work with the APIs. APIs HTTP request. Okay, we need to retrieve data from third-party software or anywhere else. So it is very necessary to mock the axios of face API. So I am working on the axios. So how to mock axios and get your data and test it. So what I have done for you is that we have created a user list and we are using a JSON placeholder TP code. You see this is here. We will work on this data, and this data is coming here. It is showing in the UI. So working with the data and test it. Okay, so let's dive into the div, and we are using axios-mock adapter. So what is it? You need to install it. npm install axios-mock adapter. Axios adapter that allows to easily mock request. So let's go. So this is our main code, and the output is the user list. So you know that. So now we need to write the test code. Okay, so write test code. Okay, user list dot test dot js. Okay, so test So I have written the code and test is passed. So what I have done over here, you see we mock the mock adapter. So what is mock adapter? I told you earlier, mock adapter is a axios adapter that allows you to easily mock adapter, and you need to install mock adapter, which should be in your system, as I have installed already, so I am not showing you that. Just copy and paste these things. Copy npm I axios mock adapter and paste it, because I have mock adapter, axios mock adapter. So you need to have this. So mock adapter is helping you to mock the functions quite easily. Okay, so I use mock. First of all, I mock the axios and create the mock data, the dummy data which you want to test, and that is id1 name user1 name user1, and mock onGet. onGet is the mock function, and we are retrieving data from the JSON placeholder TP code. This is the website from where we are retrieving the data and testing the mock data dummy data. Okay, so user list, and we are using wait for, as it is asynchronous function. You see this is asynchronous, so we need to use wait for. So what is wait for? Well, this is wait for. Okay, when it need to wait for any period of time, you can use wait for. As it is asynchronous data, we need to wait some time, otherwise it will show some errors. So we use wait for mock data for this, and we are iterating. User expect green screen to be in the document. So finally test is passed. So thank you very much. In the next version, we will work on Spy-on, how to use Spy-on with Axios. So no more today. In the next tutorial, we will discuss about Axios mock. So until then, tata bye bye. Thank you very much. See you soon.